If you wake up feeling tired, drained, or like your energy just doesn't hit the same anymore, you're not alone. Most men today are running on low fuel, depending on coffee and sugar just to make it through the morning. But what if you could start your day with a natural, doctor-approved energy mix that supports your stamina, focus, and overall wellness without energy crashes? Hi, I'm Dr. Jessica Morgan, and today I'm sharing a simple, powerful drink that I often recommend to men who want to feel strong, alert, and naturally energized throughout the day. It's made from everyday ingredients, but when you combine them correctly, they do something remarkable for your body. Let's start with the first ingredient, coffee. Coffee isn't just about caffeine, it helps improve blood circulation, alertness, and overall energy when used in moderation. For this mix, use about 2 teaspoons of instant coffee in a small bowl. Next comes honey, one of nature's most powerful natural energizers. Add 2 teaspoons of raw honey and mix it with your coffee until you get a smooth consistency. Honey helps support endurance, immunity, and natural hormone balance. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect your body from daily stress. Now we bring in a refreshing boost, tangerine juice. Cut 1 tangerine in half and squeeze out about 25 milliliters of juice. This fruit is packed with vitamin C, which supports blood flow, immune function, and recovery after a long day. Plus, the natural sweetness balances the strong flavor of coffee beautifully. Stir the juice into your honey and coffee blend until it all comes together. And then my favorite part, fresh ginger. Ginger is one of the best natural ingredients for energy and circulation. It's known to support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help your body produce more consistent energy throughout the day. Chop a small piece of ginger into tiny cubes and add it to your cup. Finally, pour warm water over the mix. Stir it gently and you'll have a rich, aromatic, and revitalizing drink that tastes as good as it makes you feel. This mix combines the natural stimulants in coffee with the slow, steady energy from honey, the vitamin C from tangerines, and the circulatory support of ginger. Together, they work to give you sustainable energy, not a crash. It's the perfect way to start your morning. Whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or just wanting to feel more alive during the day. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, science-based wellness tips for men. And let me know in the comments, what do you usually drink in the morning? I'd love to know what your daily routine looks like. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, sometimes the simplest natural choices make the biggest difference. I'm Dr. Jessica Morgan, and I'll see you in the next video.